Hey everyone, it's Ben with High Def Detailing, and today I just want to give you a quick tip on prepping wheels and tires on a brand new vehicle. So I've got behind me right here a 2021 Subaru Crosstrek, and the vehicle's prepped, just finishing things up here with the wheels and tires. And you'll notice, so I'll put you guys in here, on new tires, you're going to have these dots, yellow and red dots on the tires themselves, and sometimes on the wheels you'll have another dot. It could be a painted on dot like it is in this case, or sometimes you'll have some stickers with some really strong adhesive behind it. And what these are from the factory, and they assist the installer on mounting the tire and balancing it. So it has something to do with the weight. And one thing you can check, the red ones sometimes will line up with ones they have on the wheels. And in this case it was on all four of these. So the installer did pay attention to them and they're mounted correctly. But that's the only purpose they serve. So, if you like your vehicles nice and clean and sleek, we want to get that off there so you don't have this red dot sticking through behind your tire dressing, because it will still come through. So I'm going to remove those quickly. And the product I'm going to use to do that is the Gtechniq W7. This is a tar and glue remover. It's a solvent-based product. Most solvent-based products will work for this. So just taking a towel here, spraying a little bit on the towel. And I'm just going to work in the product over those dots. It's a little bit of agitation, and you'll see the dots start to disappear. Spray a little bit more product. Get the last remaining bits, and it is gone. Wipe away any residue. And there we go. No more dot. Okay, simple as that. So I'll go ahead and do the same thing for the yellow dot down here. All right, and then we'll put some tire dressing on, make the tire look awesome. Now, real quick though, on the painted material, or the painted dot on the rim, same product will work. I found it takes a little bit longer with the W7 right there. So in this case, another product I use is a 3M Adhesive Remover. Okay, I'm just going to spray a little bit on a towel. Same thing here, this is a different towel. Same process, just rub it in. Light agitation. Done, gone. Okay? And then the final step here, just to be safe, is I'll often take a rinseless wash solution, okay, on another towel, spray some on there, just wipe over the area on the rim that I was using that solvent product on, just to kind of balance things out as far as the pH scale goes. Just remove any residue. We don't want that left on the wheel, just in case I missed a spot when I was wiping. So this is just kind of an insurance step there. But always good practice to do, especially on painted surfaces. So when you're working on the body of the car and you're using a strong chemical like that, it's best to flush it with water or just a simple rinseless wash like that. Okay, cool. So there's a little tip for you today. If you're interested in learning more about auto detailing, quick tips like this, product reviews, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you thought this video was helpful in any way, go ahead and hit the like button as well, and stay tuned for more videos. See you later.